So I want to figure out the probability of people spending at most $20. So that's basically this group here from 0 all the way up to 20. So what we want to do is figure out if we were to add all of these together, add them together, what would we get? So when you add 158, 94, 203, and 126, you get 581. So there's 581 customers that would spend $20 or less. Now we need the total amount of customers. So to that 581, we need to add 47, 38, and 53. That gives you a total of 719 customers. Now to figure out the probability as a decimal, we're going to take the 581 and divide it by 719. And when you do that, you get 0.808, and then there's a bunch of numbers after that. Now we need to round to the nearest hundredth. So this is the hundredth place here, so we're going to look to the right. That's an 8, which means that 0 is going to increase by 1, so it becomes 0.81. That is the probability that customers will spend less than $20.